how to fix the security violation error on Battlefield 6. Here's what you have to do. First, you want to restart your PC and enter the BIOS. You can do this by restarting the PC, and depending on your version of your motherboard, you will need to press a key combination. For me, I just need to spam delete while my PC is resetting. If you're not sure how you can enter your PC's BIOS, you can go search for it. The delete key is going to be the most common way of entering the BIOS, so you can try with that. And once your PC starts restarting, you will press or spam the delete key and enter the BIOS. Now right here, you will click on settings from the left hand side, and then you want to go into advanced, and then you'll see Windows OS configuration. And right here, make sure your mode is set to UEFI or UEFI. So just click on it, and where it says secure boot, click on that option. You want to make sure that secure boot is enabled here. Once you enable this, you want to go back, then you will click on save and exit. You want to click on save changes and reboot, click on yes, and now, sorry for the dirty screen, but now if your PC reloads, you should be able to play Battlefield 6 without issues. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.